Breaking news. MK Party Chief Whip accused of taking 60% of staff members' monthly salaries. Imbiko ithi she handed herself over. Uvelile ke enkantolo namuhla. Sizolifunda nje udaba lwakhe sizwe ukuthi usolwa ngokuthi wenzeni usisi lo uMabatho Mokoena Zondi oWchief Whip womkhonto wesizwe party. Kunevideo engiyibonile lapha behleli khona enkantolo. Nomkhonto wesizwe party kunestatement osikhiphile mayelana nalolu daba oluthinta uChief Whip.
Ma'am, will you speak to us after the proceedings? Ma'am.
Ubumbona kuvelile phambi kwenkantolo lase-Western Cape if I'm not mistaken. Sizofunda ke udaba lwakhe la kwi-article ebhalwe iMail and Guardian. Sithola ukuthi kahle kahle uboshelwani ifundeka kanje. Umkhonto wesizwe party Chief Whip Mabatho Mokoena Zondi has been accused of extorting 60% of the salaries of at least 3 of the party's parliamentary employees. Mokoena will demand the money from the employees and threaten to fire them if they did not pay into her bank account or give her cash. Payments were made in August, September and October 2024. Mokoena has, however, denied the claims. The party's National Disciplinary Committee prepared a report and sent it to Floyd Shivambu, who was then Secretary General and the chair of the Disciplinary Committee. According to an internal document in the Mail and Guardian possession, a female employee paid Mokoena 16,500 rand on 15 August 2024. She paid 20,000 rand on 14 September and 25,000 rand on 30 September 2024. She later paid a further 2,000 rand into Mokwena's account. In August 2024, Mokoena threatened a male employee whose name Mail and Guardian is also withholding that if he did not pay 60% of his salary, he would be fired from his job. He later paid Mokoena 30,000 rand in cash. I-article le Mail and Guardian ayingeni into details kodwa kunentatheli eNewsroom Africa ebisenkantolo okuyiyona esitholela udaba ngoba enkantolo kufike kufundwa i-charge sheet. I-charge sheet isuke inemininingwane yonke ukuthi icala obekwa lona yiliphi ngoba kwenze njani. Ile suke inemininingwane yonke. Ingakho-ke ngiyangithanda ukuthi uma kukhulunywa ngodaba olusenkantolo ngathi singathola i-charge sheet ngoba iyona esuke icacisa kabanzi. Siyazi-ke ukuthi uma udaba ulifunda nje kusesabhalwe emaphepheni liba nama-speculations amaningi ne-information enye engekho accurate, kodwa enkantolo kuvela into eqondile ukuze sazi ukuthi lezi insolo abekwa zona ingoba kuthiwa wenzeni. Ngicela uzwe la.
The Chief Whip of Umkhonto weSizwe, Mabatho Mokoena Zondi, is appearing before the Cape Town Magistrates Court on charges of fraud. Mokoena Zondi is accused of soliciting payments from party recruits under the pretext it would go to pay the legal costs of the party's president, Jacob Zuma. It's alleged the 46-year-old recruited 4 individuals into the party as researchers and forced them to pay between 50 and 60% of their salaries. In the end, the members were defrauded of over 230,000 rand. News from Africa's Nasipi Summers tracking the story joins us now. Nasipi, good afternoon to you. What do we know about these charges?
Well, Stephen, a slow start at the Cape Town Magistrate Court today. Earlier on this morning, when Mabatho Mokoena Zondi was due to appear, there was an administrative hiccup. She's now going to be represented by Sibusiso Sanqele, and just after lunch break, we can expect the matter to be heard. The state putting forward a charge of fraud against the Umkhonto Wesizwe Chief Whip, we understand, handed herself over to authorities this morning. She makes her court appearance. As you mentioned there, she is accused of soliciting amounts from salaries of employees of the MKP party, during the period of September, or rather August and December 2024. And the amount, according to authorities, is more than 233,000. And earlier on this morning, after the news broke, Umkhonto Wesizwe Party confirming that their chief whip, Mabato Mokoena Zondi, has not only, or rather will be appearing in court, also noting that she has handed herself over to law enforcement agencies, and that the party is committed to responding to questions and will be studying the situation and responding to the media in the afternoon around 3 o'clock regarding the proceedings and the outcomes of today. But with that being said, while the matter has not been heard, we do understand that they will be putting forward a bail application, and from what we've heard from the state, they will not be opposing a bail of Mokoena Zondi.
Njengoba sizuleka ukuthi waqamba amanga wathi indleko lezi zizindleko zokukhokhela ama legal fees kaJacob Zuma. Kufana nale clause eyinkinga kumkhonto wesizwe party, ubaba uthe clause iyona emosha izinto eziningi, ngoba uma efika lo muntu ethi ubaba uthe akalekelelwe ngama legal fees kuzofuna nikhiphe imali engaka, bebezoyikhipha abantu ngoba iclose enkulu. Angiphathi khona umuntu wakhona umake wayenkandla wafike washutha no president uZuma, vele afike nesithombe kubonakala ukuthi hayi usho ngempela ubaba. Inkinga enkulu ke leyo, kodwa ke angeke simehlulele usisi lo. Uthi umthetho wase South Africa innocent until proven guilty. Njengoba udaba lisesezandleni zabantu bomthetho nje lizokhulunywa enkantolo, unaye uzophiwa ithuba lokuthi aveze uhlangothi lakhe le story, nalabo abammangalele baphiwa ithuba baveze uhlangothi labo le story, bese kugcineni inkantolo iphuma nesinqumo eyobe isithatha emveni kuba seyilalele zonke izethulo. Udaba nje sizolilandela ngoba lusenkantolo. Sizozwa ukuthi isinqumo sizothini. Umkhonto sizophatha ukhipha istatement mayelana nalolu daba. Statement isiphume ngo-28 zikaMeyi 2026, isihloko sithi MK Party notes the charging of its chief whip Miss Mabato Mokoena Zondi. The Umkhonto Wesizwe Party acknowledges the charging of its chief whip in the National Assembly, Miss Mabato Mokoena Zondi, and notes that she has voluntarily presented herself to law enforcement authorities. The MK Party reaffirms its commitment to constitutionalism and the rule of law. The party is currently studying the situation and will release an official statement at 3 this afternoon. For inquiries ungaxhumana noSifiso Mahlangu, national spokesperson. Zozwa ngayo 3 ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party uthini ngalesi simo. Ukube mhlambe uyimember ye-ANC bengizokutshela nje mahhala ukuthi njengoba esechajiwe wavela naphambi kwenkantolo, bekuzosebenza lo mthetho ekuthiwa i-step aside rule. Ubezoshenxa kancane kungena omunye umuntu kuqhutshekwe ethe ngaqeda ngecala ebese buya endaweni yakhe. Kodwa lokho kuyo decidewa ukuthi icala liyamlahla noma liyamvuna. Uma limlahlile uyobe sekuphela kanjalo, kodwa uma limvunile uzobuya kwindawo yakhe. Kodwa ngoba umkhonto wesizwe party ne-ANC constitution yakhona angiyazi ukuthi ithini umkhonto wesizwe party esimene sinje, angeke ngikwazi ukuqagela. Sizozwa ngabo ukuthi njengoba bazoyistadisha yonke lento, bazoyibheka yonke lento, mase beqedile ukuyibheka bese bebazisa abantu abangamalungu omkhonto wesizwe party namalungu omphakathi. Ngiyazi ke ngihlezi ngikusho lokho ukuthi uma kuvela indaba ezinje bathathu abantu abazobenefita, abantu abangamalungu omkhonto wesizwe party, abantu abangamalungu omphakathi nje, kodwa abakhonsela ukwenzakalana ezweni, bese kuba abantu abazonda umkhonto wesizwe party, bonke labantu bobathathu bazokwazi ukuthola ukwazi ukuthi isitha sabo siboshiwe, ilunga lomkhonto omunye wama leaders kwi-political party yabo abawuthandayo uboshiwe, amalungu omphakathi azokwazi ukuthi uchief whip womkhonto wesizwe party uboshiwe. Nesinqumo futhi esophuma sizobe sisazisa bonke labantu boyi-3 engibashilo. Angiyibambe ivideo, ngicela ukuze ukuphala kwakho la comment section. Bengithi nje angiku-update ukuthi u-chief whip womkhonto wesizwe party uboshiwe, uzihambisene emaphoyiseni, uvelile phambi kwenkantolo, mhlawumbe uzofaka isicelo sebheyili. Sizozwa-ke kodwa ntambama uma seyiphumile indaba yenkantolo ukuthi itheni inkantolo, state isipresente sathini, bathini abameli bakhe, then bese siba nenkulumo egcwele nepheleleyo.